Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Stellar Lumens. We're going to be discussing what is happening with Stellar Lumens price right now and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. As always, if you guys were enjoying these updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Stellar right now, currently sitting at 13.1 cents, we're up about 3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So great to see that, we are starting to see the price in green before we go into this upcoming week ahead of us. Looking at its market cap, $3.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 261.5 million. So what really is happening? You guys can see on the daily time frame, we're seeing XLM obviously up 3.3%, but we're seeing a lot of altcoins up right now. But Bitcoin hasn't even made its way back up to its yearly high. But we're starting to see a lot of altcoins right now. 1inch, I have no clue what this project is all about. But if you guys want to see videos on that, let me know in the comment section. But basically, what I'm trying to say is, a big green day once again, and the reason as to why this is happening is because look at the Bitcoin dominance below 50%. This is huge, guys. This is a massive for altcoins, and obviously XLM along with other coins right now, Caspa and a lot of other ones are reacting really good. Are we about to finally see a massive altcoin season occur? Possibly, but let's look at what's happening with XLM and what has changed and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So of course, since that massive upside after that huge XRP move, we did see Stellar Lumen really react and had a very positive, strong correlation with the price. You guys can see we saw the price go up to literally 20 cents. And since then, we pretty much retraced down. But speaking about retracement, I'm really liking how it's trading right now. We did see a massive upside just today at almost 14 cents, but pretty much trading within this range. But right now, one thing you guys want to keep in mind is that we have a lot of resistance coming up. You can see especially around this 13.85 cents, which we retested today. That is huge. If we're able to break out here, I'm very confident that we could see the price of Stellar Lumen start making its way back up to that 16 cents mark quite easily. But at the same time, right now, we do have some resistance coming up at that almost 14 cents mark, where we did go up today. You can see this for yourself. If I bring out the highlighter, you can see we did see the price go up to that 14 cents mark, but obviously seen a little bit of a rejection due to the fact that it is a level of resistance. And also we don't have much buying pressure coming in. If we were to see a little bit more buying pressure, I'm very convinced that the 16 cents mark would be that next target. And of course, that massive level of resistance, which is at that 16.5 cents mark, which is huge. If it's able to break out of here, we could be on our way to hit a new yearly high and possibly retest the 78.6, which is a move of about 55%. So that's what I'm currently looking at for the price of Stellar Lumen. This is the bullish scenario for the price, and I think that could potentially happen because we're starting to see the dominance really pull down like this. We haven't really seen this happen, dominance falling down like this for quite some time. We've been only seeing upside and dominance, so this is really good for altcoins. If it's able to pull down to 48.93%, this could be one of the biggest indications that we could see a start to one of the biggest altcoin seasons of the year that we haven't really seen since the beginning of the year. Because remember, at the beginning of the year, let's go back to January, you can see we were only sitting at 44.3%, and obviously even in February you can see this, we were pretty much around this 44% range. And obviously we know what happened around this level. We saw one of the biggest altcoin season for the year, and some of the altcoins were hitting some crazy levels. So then after that, we saw a massive BTC spike in terms of the momentum. A lot of pressure was on BTC rather than altcoins, and now we're finally starting to see a little bit of a shift, and you can see this for yourself. Altcoins are up quite a bit, so this is very exciting to say the least, and I'm really liking the way XLM is holding. And on top of that, look at XRP. It's also up 5.2%, and we are seeing that correlation, the one that I'm talking about. You can see this for yourself. XRP is up, and then its little brother XLM is also up. And I've told you guys before, we're treating a Stellar as a little brother of XRP now, because that move that we saw just 3 days ago, that move shows the power and the strength that one of them has, especially Stellar has with obviously XRP, and that really paints a great image as to what really is going to happen as we of course go further into the bull run. A lot of people have their eyes on, and I heard some people come out and say, and guys, listen to me, hear me out, this again is a rumor, of course, and remember, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But some people are coming out and saying that, of course, as XRP won that case, we're seeing some institutions, that have plans to implement both and get, having XRP along with Stellar available for their clients to purchase, because as the bull run goes, and that is huge. So could that be the reason as to why we saw so much of volume coming in? Because the products are very similar, and we've known in the past that there are some companies and some entities that XRP and Stellar are working together with. So the power there is huge, like the power there, and when you look at it from that point of view, it just shocks you. It really shocks you, and that's what it does to me. And I really think now more and more people are going to start taking this way more seriously, this correlation specifically. So very exciting, especially now that XRP has won the case. Obviously, said it in the past, I think that Stellar would have had that edge, like a positive edge against XRP if XRP's lawsuit weren't to come to an end, because investors would have flew into Stellar rather than XRP. But now that has come, we're going to see both of them climbing together, which is really, really nice to see. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of XRP going, and obviously Stellar as well? Like I said, my eyes are on the 78.6 zone. If it's able to get into that 78.6 zone, especially above that level of resistance at 24 cents mark, this could send Stellar quite high in my opinion, and things can really start going crazy at that point. But obviously dominance index needs to be taken very, very closely into consideration, because right now we're sitting at 49.98%. If it falls down to 48.63%, this could be one of the clearest, not craziest, clearest indications that an altcoin season is coming. So very exciting to say the least. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts? Where could you see the price of Stellar Lumens going? Do you guys know anything that I might not know? Is there a certain news that you guys are really excited about? Let me know in the comment section. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.